There are a lot of people with a college degree, and there are a lot of people with just a high school diploma or a GED. And the question you're asking yourself, the person with the high school diploma or GED, is that enough to get a high paying job? It's going to be very, very difficult for you to get a high paying job with just a high school diploma. Are there some out there? Yes, very few, far between. Pretty soon here, you're going to need a associate's degree to sweep the floors at McDonald's. Pretty soon here, you're going to need an associate's degree to sweep the floors at Jack in the Box, to sweep the floors at Burger King, to sweep the floors at Wendy's. Yes, I'm talking about these low budget places where you're not going to make more than minimum wage, if that, or you'll be working at the gas station. You're not going to be making much money with a high school diploma. You need to figure it out. And I'm not saying that everybody need a college degree. What I'm saying is you need a trade or a college degree. And if you have a low paying in job, you need to start sacrificing. You need to start cutting back. You can't buy the Jordans. You can't buy the Air Force Ones. You can't buy the gold chains. You can't travel to the Bahamas this year. You can't go to Cancun. You can't do none of those things because you have no education and you have no skills. Skills are a trade because trade certifies you in the skills that you should have. Do you understand what I'm saying? And you also, if you can afford it, I will get a college degree. I will get a college degree. Here's the thing. If you get a trade and you're certified in something, you guaranteed a job 99% of the time. Whether it be a plumber or a nurse. Those are just examples. I don't want to ramble. But here's the point I'm trying to make. You'll start off making good money. And you will be consistently making good money, but not great money. You know why? Because you're going to be stuck at that point in your life. You may be mid to low level management with just that certification and your tenure, that experience, those years you put on the job. In order for you to reach senior management, you need a college degree because here's the thing, those CEOs, those people of the board, they're going to look at viable candidates inside their company. Say, we need someone to fill this senior level position because John retired, because Tyrone retired, right? And they're looking at you, well, this guy has been with us, this lady has been with us for 10 plus years, and their work is impeccable. But here's the thing, they're looking at everybody else. You're the only one with that college degree. So what I'm trying to tell you here is, if you don't have the money right off the bat to go to college or to take online courses, then get a trade and start working a trade and sacrifice and save your money. Then start doing online classes. So when you get tenure, when you get the experience and you have those years on the job, when they start looking at people, they're looking at you because you're the one with the bachelor's degree. You're the one with the master's degree, and you're with the one with the skills that are certified by the trade. So no longer should you have the mindset that a high school diploma is enough. There are very, very few things you can do with a high school diploma that make good money. I have one idea that I think you don't need a diploma or anything to make good money. And that's if you go down there in West Texas and start pumping oil in the new oil boom. That's probably one of the places that you don't need a high school diploma. Maybe a fisherman, maybe one of those offshore oilmen, something like that. Okay, very dangerous jobs, not a cush job. You're like, yeah, man, I just want to go behind a computer and send out some emails and do up some reports and maybe a presentation. Nah. The only way you're going to get that if you are like the daughter or son of the CEO, and I'm pretty sure you're going to have a college degree if you're part of them. Yeah, you may argue the fact that there's a lot of billionaires and millionaires that are without a college degree or didn't have a college degree at the time, but I want you to understand this. If you didn't hit the lottery, if you didn't fall into money because of generational wealth or maybe an inheritance of some kind, and you didn't invent anything, chances are you're going to need a trade. Chances are you're going to need a college degree. Chances are you're going to need both in order to make the money that you think you need to make. See, consistency is the key. You need to continue to do something to yield positive results if that's the right way you should go. Now, of course, insanity is doing the same thing, expecting different results, but this is different. You need to sacrifice those things you think you hold dear, all the while that everybody else is working hard to a goal. And you're like, how she? You don't make excuses. Look at yourself in the mirror and say, why aren't I doing the things I need to do? So I'm telling you right now, if you have a high school diploma or a GED, I don't believe that is enough in this day and age. I don't believe it's enough. So sacrifice, hard work, save, get your trade, get your college degree. But at the end of it, get both of them. This is Raw's World. Learn money and be inspired. I'm out.